Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to solve practice set 18. Before we start, we should know about opposite rays. So, what are the opposite rays? It is useful to us while solving this practice set. So first of all, let's learn about opposite rays. Look here. Opposite rays means two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line are said or known as opposite rays. Observe this figure. This figure have two rays. Ray QR on our right hand side and ray QP on our left hand side. The name of two rays are ray QR and QP. This is the origin of ray. The starting point of ray is called origin. We know that and learn it in our 6th standard. So Q is the origin here. The condition for opposite rays are rays must have a common origin. Q is the common origin for these two rays and it forms a straight line here. Look here. A straight line is formed by these two rays. If both conditions are complete, then the figure is known as opposite rays. Now let's solve our practice set. First question is name the pairs of opposite rays in the figure alongside. Here a figure is given and we have to write the name of opposite rays from that figure. So the condition for opposite rays, it have a common origin. This is the first condition and it form a straight line. So look at here. This is the straight line. P is the common origin here. So we are going to write here from P. The name of our rays are ray PL and ray PM. Now we can see here another opposite rays. Ray PN and ray PT. This is our answer for first question. We cannot write ray PL and PT here because it doesn't form a straight line here. Look, it forms an angle here but doesn't form a straight line. So we are going to write just the name of that rays which form a straight line here. And the condition, second condition is common origin. You have to focus the conditions only. The second question is, are the ray PM and PT opposite rays? Observe the figure. This is ray PM and this is ray PT. Give reasons for your answer. Is ray PM and PT are opposite rays? No, these are not opposite rays. Just write here, no, these are not opposite rays. You should write in your notebook. I show you in the book here. So they tell us, give the reasons. So the reason is here both rays complete our first condition, but they does not complete our second condition, that is they doesn't form a straight line. So write here our reason, because they doesn't form straight line. This is the solution for our practice set 18. Hope you will understand. Let's practice it very well. Take another examples. Take another figures of yourself here and use the name at your own choice from A to Z and practice like this. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.